How to create a group in WeChat. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a group in WeChat. So to know how you can do this, watch this video till the very end. First of all, go to the Google Play Store. On the top search bar you can simply search for WeChat. Make sure you have installed and updated the latest version of WeChat. Now open your WeChat like you normally do. After opening your WeChat, go to the plus icon on the top right side. Go to the new chat option. Now tap on join the private group. Now what you can do is tap any code here, and after tapping any code, tap on join this group. Now you are added to this group. Now what you can do is add other members to this group. To add other members to this group, go on the three horizontal lines right here. You can also set your group name anything that you want to. After setting up your group name, you can also send this group QR code by screenshotting or downloading this QR code, by saving this image and sending to other people on different platforms. And also you can add some people that are already on the WeChat by tapping on manage group option and tapping on the invitation approval option and everything right here. So this is how you can make your own group on WeChat. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.